All right, my website, Wonder.com, has a 5-page layout, a button for daily deals because it's going to have a page with just a great list of deals, and that is the main, thing the website is about, is competitive pricing and offering people that. So down here we've got the hottest buys and the hottest deals for each of these different categories: lights, camera, action. With a quote at the bottom, the idea behind the wording, the verbiage in these, and this lights, camera, action deal is just to be young and appealing. And we've got pictures of the items. They will have links that allow you to click on the pages and go to the items, of course. And there's an account thing, so you can sign in and see your orders. You hit login, it pops up. You can clear it away if you want to. jQuery. Yep. There we go.